Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 87 Manville Road, Unit 1R, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a first floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment completely renovated, including new floors, new paint, new appliances, and much, much more. So we are going to begin our walkthrough here right in the living area. Living area leads to the rest of the unit. It's basically centralized, connected to the galley kitchen, and houses your main entryway to the unit. Some wide open windows, let a good amount of sunshine in. And as you can see, beautiful new vinyl wood flooring throughout here as well. Again, the fresh paint job looks great too. And a pretty sizable living area, a good amount of space for all kinds of furniture setups. You got a good amount of outlets as well. An additional closet for some extra storage. You could also maybe use this as a dining space. If so, you have plenty of space for any size dining set. From there, we'll check out the galley kitchen. Completely renovated galley kitchen. This includes, of course, like I said, the brand new appliances. But on top of that, you also have brand new cabinetry, countertops, and tile backsplash. The appliances in here include the brand new medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator. You have the brand new 5-burner stainless steel stove and oven with the exhaust fan, and the brand new single bin stainless steel sink. From there, let's check out the bedroom. Bedroom's a pretty good size, honestly. Queen, king bed sets can fit in here if you choose. Obviously standard full will fit as well. Wide open windows once again, plenty of sunshine, fresh paint, new floors. And yeah, like I said, queen, king bed set will easily be able to fit in this bedroom. You have a lot of space in this bedroom, so use it at will. There's your closet space there in the corner. Bedroom does have its own closet. And that's basically it for the bedroom. Lastly, let's check the bathroom. So, bathroom's housed near the main entryway to your unit. Again, new floors and new paint. You have a nice, newer sink vanity and mirror vanity here in the corner over here. As you go further in, you'll have your freshly glazed tub and shower at the end. Awesome. So once again, this is 87 Manville Road, Unit 1R, here in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we publish on our website, and any other news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you.